Hey YouTube, we're making eggs today. Brother from another mother, Aiden, shout out. So if you picked this video, you're making scrambled eggs today. Good job. Yeah, so I'd recommend whatever ratio of whatever you guys like for this, really. That's really all it is. And past that, you know, just it.
Oil, butter, if butter exists, you know. Yep. I would recommend butter over oil any day, every day.
Yeah, and then also medium heat on that pan throughout like the whole thing. Like all the way through. No need to adjust the heat, period. Keep it on medium. Juno. And stir, you know?
Oh, looks like I'm a jump master. Who gives a shit? Teammates fucking suck every time anyway. Well, it's just me. Who knows? I need a stabilizer, yo. Look at this.
Just as a little side note, you might want to take the pan off the heating element while you're getting your cheese out. If you're not quick draw McGraw.
100% accuracy. What is up? Usually you want shredded cheese, but you know.
Note that this will all be easier because you have two hands.
Usually if you want to just let the cheese melt, just throw a top on it. Or as they say, just top it off. In whatever world that they say that. But it's a phrase in the old cooking world before microwaves took over kitchens. Anyway.
Everyone, I hope you enjoyed. Aiden, you can't say you can't make eggs anymore. Good night.